It's a bit noisy, but I thought maybe I could do something cool. I'm just changing the tires to winter tires in my mom's car, but I thought I could do some cool, like, effects with it, maybe. I'm gonna mess around with the editing a bit. It'll be cool. All done. I got it done. It's 12:17. I started at 1:30. So yeah, I was about right. It took me about 10 minutes on each tire, plus 15 minutes to set up, and I still have to do some cleanup. So it will be the full, probably be an hour before I'm all back done to clean shop, clean tools, everything back together. I'll do a little walk around. It looks really good with these tires on it compared to the old ones. Let's show you. I'm smart. Well, so noisy out here. It just started raining. I'm gonna clean up and head inside. Thanks for watching.